everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. What did I get at the Dollar Tree? Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers and to all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. Thank you all so much for the wonderful ways in which you support me and my channel. I shared with you guys a short of me and the Dollar Tree. Well, today I'm going to show you very quickly what I picked up. I didn't get a whole lot, but I will show you what I got in case you happen to be in the Dollar Tree and you want to grab some of these items. So some of you have already seen this pack of cardstock at the Dollar Tree. I had not seen the other packet that they have, which is the yellow pack. So I'm going to go ahead and just open that so that I can share the colors with you. And as I've said previously, if you're looking for a really inexpensive way to dip your toe into paper crafting, start with some of the things that they have at the Dollar Tree, because you're not putting out a whole lot of money, but it is good quality. So we have that bright yellow, which is a lemon yellow. We have an off-white, a green that actually has a texture to it. All of these seem to have like a texture to it. A purple and a red. So this is a great start for being able to grow primary colors in your paper crafting collection, or if you have something specific that you need to make and you don't want to spend a whole lot. Papers like this really are the way to go. I showed you in a previous video how I use these papers, and they worked out very well for my project. So I don't have any problem with using these papers on the channel. Then I picked up some white paper bags, and these are just a 3-pack of these bags, and they are really, I would say, small to medium size. I have a couple of projects in mind for these, so I picked up a couple of packs of these. Then I picked up some brown paper bags because I do want to do some brown paper bag crafting, especially as we go into June. So I picked up a pack of brown paper lunch bags. You don't have to get these from the Dollar Tree. You can pick these up from anywhere, but if you happen to be in the Dollar Tree, why not grab some? And then whenever I'm in the Dollar Tree, I always look at the stickers, and I picked up a couple of these chalkboard stickers because I think they would be great on some of the black and white projects that we might do. A true friend is always there for you, best friends forever. Good friends are hard to find, harder to leave, and impossible to forget. Friends, friendship never ends, XOXO, and life's better with friends. So I ended up getting 2 of these because that was really all they had. And then I like the family stickers, and I think I've bought these before, but every time I go in, I always pick up some because I enjoy family themed stickers. So this one says, family, father and mother, I love you. The love of a family is life's greatest blessing. Family, where life begins and love never ends. Our most treasured heirlooms are memories of our family. True love, together we make a family, family forever. So those are some really nice sentiment stickers. And then anytime I see celebratory type stickers like this, I always like to grab a pack of 2 because I never know when I'm going to need them. So this is really good for a birthday, for graduation. It really is a great way to help celebrate certain occasions. And then I bought a few things that I've never bought before from the Dollar Tree. And they have these galvanized letters, and they're in the craft section. And if you're going to buy these, make sure you pay particular attention to the letters that you're getting. There are 13 pieces in each pack. There are 26 alphabets in our alphabet system here in the US. So you need to buy 2 packs to have the full alphabet, but each pack only has 13, and this one goes from A to M, and this one goes from N to Z. So if you're looking for these, and I'm just going to go ahead and just open this pack so we can see what these look like. And see, that is what they look like, and that's really cute. This is a very nice galvanized lightweight steel that we have here. So you can see that these letters are approximately 1 inch tall, but they're big enough to make a statement on a project that you might be making. So I can see stamping these with some color, painting them black, spray painting them. doing a whole lot of different things with them. But like I said, make sure that if you are interested in getting these, you pay attention to the letters that you're buying, because one pack does not have all 26 alphabets in it. Then I picked up a couple of things that I am just going to use to organize a few things here in my craft room. I got a few of these little organization wheels, and I'll be able to put gems or mini brads, all types of little goodies in here. I had never seen these before at the Dollar Tree. I'm sure they've had them for a while, but I thought they would be good to help me organize a few of the littles that I have in my craft room. Same with these. These are little mini storage containers. So they're about 1.5 inches tall. You can put your smalls in here. So if you have certain colors of littles that you want to separate, this is a pretty good way to do it. And then the last thing that I picked up, some of these mini jewel pearls, and you can see how pretty they are. I got this beautiful mint and this pink. So the Dollar Tree that I go to the most doesn't normally have these, so when I see them, I'll grab a few. So y'all, that's it for what I got from the Dollar Tree. I do have a few projects that I want to work on using some of these, so I'll probably start working on some of them next week. That'll give those of you who might have Dollar Trees available to you a chance to pick up some of these if you want to have some of the things that I'm crafting with. So I hope that you've enjoyed this peek at what I picked up from the Dollar Tree. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.